to stone this house foundation. It's dressed Fieldstone Chardonnay. Using a 641 die. Coming along pretty nicely. When you're doing a modified A like this, you got the roof up there. The snow will pile up right up there, and then it drops down and piles up on the ground right here. Or when it rains, it's continuously dripping. So to do this stone with the water running down onto it like that in freezing weather, it's a good idea to put a sealer on it. So we're going to spray some Thompson water seal or something on there to keep the water repelling off there so it doesn't soak in. Okay, we got this little pad all done. Did exposed aggregate on the edges. Turned out okay. Got our stonework all finished up here. The stone on this job's dressed Fieldstone Chardonnay, and it's made by cultured stone. It says 1/2 inch joint there. We did it more of a semi-dry stack, kind of half dry stack. They're probably 3/8 joints maybe.